Hey everybody, we're at the 21st of May, 2024. This is Connor McIver. Quick daily real estate update, 7-day market recap, 8 coming soon listings, 67 new, 51 properties have had their prices changes. Most of those have been reductions. 17 properties entered back on the market. We have 27 properties that have gone active under contract, 59 pending, 61 sold in this last 7 days, 2 expired, 6 canceled, 13 are held, and 3 have been withdrawn from the market. Biggest thing out there with regard to real estate, you really need to watch out for the pre-qualification. If you happen to be a seller and that buyer's sending in a letter with their offer, make sure your agent does a diligent follow-up and gives you the information that they got. Also, if you're a buyer, make sure your lender is giving you a full pre-approval so you don't find out something that you can't obtain financing because they didn't give you the information first up when you started to interview lenders or even give them a little bit about your financial footprint. I'm Connor with Honor. Thanks for watching. Be well. Over and out.